All right, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 horses. Or 73. Let me think. 73. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna push the Suzuki SV650 into the corners. I got a new setup for recording sound and also new entry, new camera, recording my left foot so we can see when I change gear. Let's jump into it. Hey, wait a second. Did you subscribe to the channel? Alright guys, there we are. So let me know in the comments below if you like this new setup. Don't forget. Now let's try to have some fun. It's the first time for me as well in this road, and I'd be curious to see if the new setup is working or not. All right, now we go left. Ooh. Yes, nice. Shit on the road. In this case, no stones, but crap. A lot of crap. Now we go left and we have some more fun. Yeah, can we go? Yes, we can. Nice, go. Go Suzuki, go! Oh, my bomb. Wow. So much fun. This is a very, very slow bend here. Oh, it's even. What's going on here? Hey, what happened? That was nice. No, there's a car in front of us. End of the game. End. Let's wait. 10 minutes later. Okay, I think we can go again. Go baby, go! Go Suzuki! Amazing. The car is again here. I can't believe it. The car is still here. Man. That's impossible. Impossible. Ah, man. Anyway, that was a good test, I suppose. Hope you liked it. Let's see if we find some other nice road. Give it one more try. And then, actually, we might just try the road in front of us. Okay, last road of the day, new road. I think it's my second time here. Let's see what happens. It's nice. What the hell, man? Whoa. Wow. More often. I know why. I think because in the winter it's very slippery, very, you know, wet, humid, so it can be very dangerous. But now that summer is close, it's way better. Wow, man, really nice, I have to say. Amazing. What's going on, everybody here? Bye bye. Really? I think that's it, that's the end of it. So I will head back and I'll see you guys next time. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, leave a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you didn't already, and let me know in the comments if you would like to know about this new setup. So about the camera which is recording my foot, about the engine sound, and everything else. So I will make another video just for the setup of all the stuff for motovlogging. Stay safe, have fun, and see you next time, guys. Thank you.